Now we have to create this category section. To do that, let's press on T and create a text called categories. Then select it as header and the color will be the dark color. And now we have image and the description of the image. So first image will be daily special, or first category will be daily special, second one pasties, and third one beverages. So let's create those categories. To create them, first we need to create the image. For now I will use rectangle and put a rectangle like this, and then we need another text. So let's create a text. The text will be daily specials. Okay, now let's change the text to paragraph. Actually it's better to have bigger font, so let's create different variant of the font. So let's duplicate this one and detach the style. Then let's make this medium and click here. Click on create style. Let's name this as subheading. Click on create style. Alright, now let's go to our design. Click here and change the text style to subheading. Okay, now I will select these two items and press Shift A. Then make it center and the space will be 15. And now also click those two sections. Press Shift A to categorize it, and in here we will add the negative space as 20. In here we have 4 sections. To create 4 sections, we have to select the category item and press Shift A. Then I will set the layout as horizontal layout, and now if I select the single category, press duplicate them, just drag and drop like this. Now if you check it, we have to reduce the size because we need 4 items. To reduce the size, before reduce the size, if we create a component using the single category item, it will be easy us to change the design, because when we change the master component, it will also affect the instance of the master component. So I will remove the component that we are not going to use, and in here I will convert this to a component, and let's name this component as category item. Now we can adjust the size. Let's adjust this size to 72 by 72, and also we have to reduce the size of this text. To do that, I will just click the text and in here click on detach style, and let's reduce the font size to 12 and the spacing will be set to 6. Okay, now let's go to assets and check on the component that we created, and let's add it here, and let's add 4 of them. This is the master component, so let's create 4 instances, and I will put master component on the top and select all of those components and press Shift A to add the layout, and let's make it horizontal layout, and in here we have to reduce the size bit more. Let's make it like 65. Now let's reduce the space between those two options, so let's make it like 15. Okay, in here let's make the space to 12, and now we can increase this rectangle size. Press command and select the rectangle, and let's increase its size to 80, and yeah, make it 80. Okay, now we have 4 categories, and now I will cut the master component and add it on the sticker sheet like this. Then we can go to assets and add component to here. I will change this spacing to 15. Okay, if we check the mockup, it will look like this, and now we have to find images and add those images. Then we have to change the text of each category item. This is an insightful lesson from the learn UI UX app design with Figma course. So if you are ready to improve your UI UX skills, you can find the complete course on Udemy. Click the first link on the description to check it out. Let's continue the learning adventure together. See you in the full course.